Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Verma. Today we're doing a very essential in most of our kitchens, which is the garlic chutney. I hope you enjoy my recipe. To make our chutney, we have some garlic cloves which have been peeled. To that I'm adding red chilli powder, some coriander powder, lime juice, salt to taste, a pinch of hing and some water. This needs to be ground to a smooth paste. Our ingredients are ground to a smooth paste and our garlic chutney is ready. I hope you enjoy this.